Hello, my name is Jir Burhan Faraj and I studied at the American University in the major of engineering, construction engineering. It took me around 6 years to study here. Finally, I'm graduated and I'm really happy for that. I'm thrilled I'm graduating at this level. I really do recommend AUIS because AUIS teaches us how to study, how to compete against every single thing that comes across you, an obstacle. And I did that. Finally, I graduated. I have my own job right now. Thank you so much, AUIS. Thank you, my family. Thank you, my friends. Thank you too.
Hello, I am Lania from Suli. I am graduating from Energy Engineering.
Hi, my name is Sana Mahmoud and we are childhood best friends.
So today is my senior day. I feel so excited. However, I am kind of sad because AUIS, it's my second family and I'm going to miss it the most.
I have seen Lania's journey here at this university. It's been hard, but I've seen that she has had a very good time. So I'm sure you'll miss it.
Of course, yes.
Hi, my name is Yerivan. I am from Suli and I've been studying here at AUIS for the past 4 years. My major is business administration and I'm graduating this semester. Leaving AUIS is a bittersweet feeling for me. This university has taught me so many things, and what I'm going to miss the most about here is the atmosphere and the community that we have built for ourselves.
My name is Buland. I'm an IT graduate and I'm from Slimani. Today feels a bit weird. It's nice because everything's over, but then you don't know what's going to happen. And the one thing I'm going to miss the most about AUIS is the whole atmosphere and the vibe we had around the campus and the students. And I would also like to thank my parents for being here with me and for supporting me all these 4 years and just being there beside me the whole time.
AUIS,
Learn today,
Lead tomorrow.